I think my spark for astronomy came when I was about 10 years old. I told my dad I wanted to be an astronaut, and he bought me my first telescope. That was kind of the moment I knew space and I were going to be connected. Astronomy has always been my passion, but science hasn't really been my strong suit growing up, so that's why I leaned more towards writing. My professors in the PTW program encouraged me to seek that out, and they helped me kind of orient each of my projects in the department around astronomy-based topics. So everything that I did here at SVSU over the past year was primarily to try and get that internship. So the specific name of my internship was called the Science Communication Internship. My favorite thing that I got to do was film a video for the James Webb Space Telescope, and I got to work with the content director for that. And so I was able to help out with their art competition. I knew I wanted it to be more cinematic. So when I was putting that project together, I wanted to make pieces that just stood out visually. I went back and I found a poem that somebody had submitted.
Cold, silent, alone in the dark sits our hope of discovery, our fear of not knowing, calculated, slow assembly.
And then I layered it all together and made this heartfelt compilation video. While I don't come from a STEM background, I would encourage anybody who's not in a STEM-related field, women especially, to look for those opportunities and chase after your dreams.